Is your install now or pause option being grayed out on iPhone while updating with the new iOS? Here, if you found that your install now options gray out like me, don't worry. In this video, I'll show only 2 ways to solve your problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your device. Tap Assistive Touch. Tap Device. Tap More. Tap Restart. Solution 2. Charge your device up to 50%. Plug your charging cable. Now wait for about 30 minutes. After that, your problem will be solved. If you look at this, it says this update requires at least 50% charge or to be connected to a power source. So you can also connect your cable to charge and come over here. After this, your iPhone will allow you to update. So guys, this is how you can solve install grayed out issues on your iPhone. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.